Good morning. It's Thursday, June 25th, 2020. Time is 9:35. After a tough day yesterday, broke a lot of my rules. Kind of went on tilt during lunch. Gonna get back to basics today. So we're trading with first of all, we checked our ATR this morning. We're trading with an ATR 55 today. And if we do any ads today, if we do any counter trend trades, we're going to do a spacing of at least 1/2 of 55, which will be 27.5. We had an overnight high on the S&P last night of 3056.50, an overnight low of 3005.50. We're right in the middle right now, so don't diddle in the middle. So my preferred trade is to let it come in some and then buy and add. But right now it's bouncing back and forth in the middle, and it's bouncing pretty fast too. So if we're going to do any scalping, we're going to have to be nimble. Go ahead and place the order at the top of the blue line, place the order at the bottom, and so let's just kind of watch it and see if we get an opportunity. 99.79 is our next pivot down. That is the midpoint, 99.79 of the value area. 99.02 is the bottom of the value area. And we're right in the middle of the current profile, which the very bottom of it is 99.25. Actually, 99.25 is the bottom of the value area. That 99, well, basically right at 9900 is another lower pivot point. So we don't have any pivot points between 99.72 all the way down to 98.97. So on the S&P corresponding, we're looking at 3020 first area. If it breaks that, maybe 3010 and a possibility of 3000. So we got to be patient here right now. Would prefer the 30-minute stochastic line to get down below 20. But, it may or may not happen. But that's our preferred entry. Okay, we're close enough to 30-20. It's our first area of interest. We're trying to get filled at 99.33.
Order filled.
And we did get filled. And notice we've got a automatic stop today. It would 98.77. And going with our we're just going to use 30 for easy calculations. The next add we could make would be at 99.03, which would correspond to the value low area. Looks like we're going through the 30-20, so 30-10 is our next target. We do have the stochastic below the 20 area. Momentum is negative at this point. So we would try to add at 99.03 if possible, but we're still trending down. Renko bars are still negative on the S&P, so we may have a shot at 99.03. The overnight low was 98.94. Got our order in at 99.03, just on the possibility it dives down and pops back up, that it may hit us. If you remember yesterday, that's what they were doing. They were taking it down real fast, hitting people, and then popping back up. And so if they pop it down this time, yeah, we'll take another one. Thank you. If you remember yesterday, the algo would let the counter rally come back up to the blue line, then he would hit it hard again. Early in the day, that's what they did. Let's see if they take it back down again. Momentum still below zero at this point. Okay, my plan is to go 1, 2, 3 today. 1 on the first order, 2 on the second ad, and 3 on the third ad.
Order filled.
Okay, we did get filled 2 at 99.03. We will place our next order at 99.03 minus 30 for 3. Okay, y'all. Didn't remember where our stop was. So there's a good chance they may hit it 98.77. So we're, with our plan today, we're going to have a cross at 98.77. I don't guess it matters, though. It would get us out of one. We're going to go ahead and place the order to buy 3 at 98.73. Of course, this way of trading, you can, get in trouble. So you have to be careful, but we're going to trust it. 2, 3. Okay, our stochastic is still point down, and our momentum's still negative. We are trending up on the S&P. We've had 2 positive bars, working on a third one. So they're contradicting each other right now. So we're just gonna kind of watch it here. We could come down hard at 933 is where we started. We're going to take off 1. We got it sitting at 99.36. Let's see. Yeah, that's the only problem I run into the matrix sometimes. I don't, when it
Order filled.
Well, it got us anyway, so never mind. So we're long 2 now. We're still trending up on the S&P, so it did a first in, first out on that. Still, the alligator is down. The stochastic is down, so we really got a good chance of pulling back down again. So we probably better peel another one off. See if we can get it to 36 again.
Order filled.
And they gave it to us, so we're going to hold the 1 even if it comes down on us. Now let's look at our orders over here. So we're going to leave the 3 at 98.73. This one will cancel. I don't know what I did there. And this one will cancel. So right now we've got 3 down at 98.73 we would add. You know, I thought about it last night, and I'd not like this very often, but for some reason I just didn't want to take that small loss yesterday, and I was on the wrong side, but I was hard headed, and I said, well, I'm going to just show them, and I showed them too. You can't show them, I'm just a minuscule dot in this planet, and all I can do is go with it. I can't fight it, so I'm not sure anybody's big enough. Even big traders have to trade with the market. So we've been getting a lot of contradictions lately. We've got another candle coming up in about 2 minutes. But see, we're still holding pretty strong over here, and we're showing a little weakness on the NASDAQ. So stochastic still negative, momentum's below zero. So we're gonna be patient here. Okay, we can do this. We got out at 36, so 30 would be 99.06. So we're gonna try to take an ad at 99.06. I don't know if it'll ever get filled or not. It might not. But that's that's what we're gonna stick with. So far it's worked, our spacing, so we're gonna stick with it. See, right now the S&P's trending up, so may go up, test that 30-40 area again, which is the right up here. Our value midpoint is 99.97 today. I guess that's, well, our next pivot is at 99.61. Good chance they may test that. I'm going to take a chance there and go ahead and place an order. And if it hits 99.61, I'll get out of that last one. Yeah, I can't complain. They've given us good fills today. Normally the case, yesterday I got whacked out of a couple. I was unsure.
Order filled.
Boy, that was faster than I thought. So I don't know what that tells me. But we'll take it. Of course, we're bare right now. The cupboard's bare, so I hope it doesn't just rip up. If it goes at 30, above 30.40, it may do it. Seven Mnq bars in a row on the S&P. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 blue ones. 7 blue bars. Positive. Look at the momentum though. That's, I don't know. This is a new one I put on here. Stochastic momentum is on toss, and I like it. So I put this one on here because I didn't see a stochastic momentum. But I'm just kind of seeing what it's doing today. It's interesting. It's saying it's weak. And I bet if you had one over here on the S&P, it would be saying something totally different. So that's interesting. I don't normally trust these stochastic crosses right in the middle. I like to see it down below 20 on the buy and above 80 on the sell, but it's flirting with a cross up here in the middle. Just gonna watch for now. Not sure what the range on this momentum indicator is, but it's down to 46 now. That's crazy. It was up at 80 earlier. Definitely moves. I guess what I'm saying is, yesterday I am just not good on the spot. I have to put in my orders and follow a plan. Now, that doesn't mean I'm going to make money every day. Thought I had an order in somewhere. Where did I put my order in? Or did I cancel it by mistake? Yeah, I guess I canceled it. I'm going to go ahead and add one here. Let's just put it right here. Right there's fine. Oh, I didn't. I missed it. Yeah, sometimes that matrix gets me crossed up on my orders, but maybe they'll come down and fill me. We'll see. We got a momentum is really negative. Now, like again, I don't know how accurate what that means. It's moving up a little. It was minus 60 a second ago.
Order filled.
Well, they were nice today. They felt sorry for me. Thank you. Okay, we're in at 99.29. This is where it could get tricky down here. Do we think it's going to go back down low enough to add for our add at 30? Yeah, just hadn't planned this far ahead. So let's see. Okay, we got a point at 99.28. That's the value low. And then the very bottom of is 98.84. So we would be getting close. The low for the day is 98.85. I don't know. I don't know if we're going to get down that far. Just went through 30.40, so we're probably going higher. May go all the way to 30.60. Okay, gonna check my orders. See what I've got. Okay, that's a stop order. We'll leave it. I got so many, I'm just gonna cancel them all. Well, that was a fake out on the 30-40. Came back down below it. We're just gonna hold this one for right now. Momentum has really improved, about 27, 26, 25, that range. 28 was down to minus 60. I mean, it's a minus 28, minus 26, minus 24. So it was minus 60. So it has improved. We're above 30-40 with one. We're seeing if we can break the highest Mnq bar on the S&P. So we got to hold this one for right now. Stochastic just went positive. Momentum's at 22. So we're going to probably threaten the alligator go up here on the 30-minute. I don't know if it would have to get above 99, 94. Still hadn't taken out that Mnq bar high. Okay, it looks like we're above the 30-40 holding. Stochastic did cross up. Momentum's almost above zero. So we had a pivot at 99.93. We're testing that now. I think I want to take that last one off right here and see if I can buy it a little lower. Maybe an error, but we're going to try it. See if we can get 97 out of it. Guy down in Flagler Beach just called. My daughter and son-in-law and my grandbaby are down there, and he called from Gospel Garden, said he got some dune daisies in right now. I've just got lime rock in my yard down there, so we want to plant a few dune daisies. Figured the grandkid would love doing that, so suggested they go by and get us 4 or 5 and plant them right in front of our porch. Let's see how they do. Well, I may have got too cute on that exit, trying to get to 97. Yeah, they're going to give me one more shot. If they don't get it, I'll pull it down a little.
Order filled.
Thank you. Y'all are so nice today. I love it. All right, now here's where it gets iffy. It could run on because, S&P's on an uptrend. And we are above the 99.93, so hoping we can get a little pullback and get back in a little lower. I'm not sure how much lower, but that's what we're going to try anyway. We're going to go to a lower time frame. See if it'll help us. Still mighty strong right now, and the alligator lines up, and the alligator's almost up on the 30-minute also. So this may be a tall order getting this thing to pull back. Yeah, it looks like I made a mistake then getting out. There's a good chance they may just run it right on up to 30.60. And the alligator lines up. The momentum is up. We've got an order sitting at 99.90, but we may get lucky to get that filled. Yeah, I probably should have just held on to that one. And I may just have to jump back in. Yeah, there's a possibility they could come down and hit us and retest that 30-40. But it's no guarantee. You know, the fast stochastic is one of the first, and if it doesn't come down, you know, you know you're not going to get filled, and it's still straight up. Got two positive bars on the S&P.
Order filled.
Okay, we're back in at 99.90. Gonna kind of watch it a little bit and see what happens. A lot of times I say they, referring to the market in general, and uh, the firms, I guess, is trading Mnq and NQ also. But the one person that can never be your enemy in this occupation is yourself. There's nobody took that money from me yesterday. I did it myself by making stupid trades. They can't control what I did. I mean, I did that on my own. So all you have to do is look in the mirror to know who's responsible for your results. And it's real simple. So, don't blame other people. I've done it. I've blamed the Fed. I've blamed, everybody over the years. All you have to do is look in the mirror to know who's responsible for all your results. Simple game. Notice the 30-minute alligator line there all together. Looks like a triangle right there with my entry. So that's wild. Has not confirmed yet, but it's close. We're still holding 30-40. That's kind of I think our close yesterday was like 10,010. So if we got above that, it might go up a little higher. Still kind of expecting a test of 3060. So kind of want to hold this one if possible. Okay, see it slipped down below 30.40 again. Okay, 11 between 11 and 12 has been kind of wild the last few days. Don't know if it'll continue today, but it could very well. You really never, you really never know for sure, but I'm going to assume it's going to be wild again. I'll go ahead and exit out of this one and put a fishing order a little bit lower.
Order filled.
Okay, we got out at 99.85. We're going to shoot for 99.55. I have no idea if we'll get filled, but that'll be somewhere in the middle of the range. Could be possible. There's one thing for sure, I won't be putting in 3 and 4 contracts at a time just willy-nilly today during lunch. I don't know where that. I've done stuff like that before, but it's been a long time. But I don't know why. I just didn't had it in my mind. I just did not want to take a loss. I guess I had some good days and pretty consistent. Just didn't want to break the string. But you can only do what it gives you. You got to put your orders in and follow your rules. And some days you're going to lose money. You can't help it, especially when you're going against the trend that day. Okay, I'm going to stop the recording for lunch. I've got an order in at $99.55 to buy.